This is Kelson McGuire with Team 4944. This year's 2018 bot is Hermit. Team 4944 try to use this license maximum acquisition zone with our intakes. So we have a full, utilizing 16 inches to intake cube, and then we have 40 pounds of pressure crushing it so we don't lose any cubes. We have an elevator that goes up. It can brake at any point with a disc brake system from a bike. So it's a bike disc brake system that uses a pneumatic to engage it and disengage it. We have a 6M drive, 4-wheel tank drive, so we're pretty speedy. So we competed in Colorado, in the Utah Regional first. We took 11th out of 48 robots, and we got defeated by 1678, who won the regional in the semifinals. We then competed in Denver Regional. We competed against 52 robots. We ranked 15th overall. We were picked up by the 7th Alliance, and were defeated by 118 in the quarterfinals. We're a switch vault bot and hoping to do better in Idaho.